I'm going to show you how to make a Google slide animation with your students, and then I'm going to ask you for the challenge of the week to have your kids research a topic or a theme and then explain that topic or theme by presenting a Google slide animation. At the end, I'll share a student example of where a group of students work together on this to do a presentation on Greek gods and goddesses. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is have a blank screen. Next, I think it's the simplest way to do this is to just take a shape, and I'm going to take a ball or a circle, and then I'm going to fill this in with paint. Let's make it red. And then I'm going to do a slide, duplicate, slide. Now I'm on, and you'll notice how they're exact, they're duplicates. So this time I'm going to just drag it down a little bit. Slide, duplicate, slide, drag it down a little bit. Slide, duplicate, slide, drag it down a little bit. Slide, duplicate, slide, drag down. And I continue doing this until it hits the bottom of the page. You can actually have it keep going down to another page. That's pretty fun to do, or you can just have this one bounce. So in this case, I'm just going to have it bounce. We can have it bounce off the page. In fact, I'll just have it bounce to another page. You'll see how I'm going to do that. I'm going to do slide, duplicate, slide. Slide, duplicate, slide. Now I'm going to have it go off of the page. Slide, duplicate, slide, like that. And now when I do the slide, duplicate, slide, I'm going to bring this back up to the top to make it appear like it's coming back from the sky. Slide, duplicate, slide. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File and then Publish to the web. I'm going to take this Auto Advance Slide and change it to every second. And then I'm going to publish. And when I do, it's giving me a link. And at the end of the link, it says 1000. And so I'm going to copy this. And what I'm going to do is open up and drag it, and I set it into a new URL, and then I'm going to take this 1000 and change it to 0060, and that's going to speed it up. Now when I hit play, and that was a little bit too fast, so I'm going to go back up there again, delete, paste. Now I'm going to have this 1000 again. I'm going to move over all the way to 1000. That was a little too fast, so I'm going to go to 0120. You can change the speed. Now let's see what the speed is. It bounces and it goes down through the other page and through up. So this is how you do Google Slide animation. Next, I'm going to show you a student example where they worked on this for about 10 to 15 minutes a day over about a 3-week period. And you'll see how cool it can be to use Google Slide animations and how engaging it can be for students to demonstrate and show their knowledge of a specific topic or some research that they've done on a specific topic or theme. Good luck.